Hey guys, just hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. So today's recipe I'm going to show you two different style radish pickle, red radish pickle how to make. I'm going to show you in this recipe and I hope you guys will enjoy this recipe. And let's get started how to make. And before watching video, please do not forget to subscribe my channel. And let's get started how to make. This recipe many people request me, and thank you so much for your request. And finally I'm going to show you how to make this reddish pink color. So here I'm going to show you very simple and easy pure natural color. So I'm not going to use any food color. It's pure natural color I'm going to use. So first I'm going to prepare all the ingredients. After peel the radish, you have to cut slightly. Be careful, don't cut your hand. And here I use 2 radish. You can use how much you want to make. And next I'm going to use 2 onion. Follow the same step. Peel and cut slightly. The slightly cut beetroot also same style. So here I'm going to use only half beetroot. Now it's time to marinate all the ingredients. The marinade ingredients are very simple. We need only salt. Add the salt and mix all the ingredients very well and set aside for 10 to 15 minutes. Nicely you have to mix. Then repeat the all ingredient, onion and beetroot also. After 10 minutes later, one more time stir and leave it for 5 minutes more. Next we need a clean proper covered container we need. Now I'm going to make 2 portions of with onion and with beetroot. So now half portion I'm going to make with onion and half portion I'm going to make beetroot. Mix them together very well. After that, remove the extra water and put in container. Now repeat the same style onion also. Mix them together. After that, remove the extra water and store in container. Now let's make the marinade sauce. The marinade sauce ingredient very simple. 4 teaspoons sugar and 1 teaspoon salt. You don't need to put salt too much because we already marinate in salt. So next, 5 teaspoons vinegar. You can use any kind of vinegar as you have. Next, I'm going to add 4 cups hot water. After that, add SICHUAN pepper. This is necessary in this recipe. And boil for a few minutes. You don't need to boil properly, you need to just melt the sugar and salt. Now it's time to fill up the water. Fill up the water until not cover the radish. You have to fill up. And repeat the same style another side also. We need water like this much. After that, I'm going to add dry chili. This is optional. If you like, you can go. If you don't like, you can definitely skip this part. After that, lightly press down and cover and let them cool down properly. After cool down later, you have to put in fridge. Now it's ready and cover and leave it for 2 days. It will be not damaged until 6 months. You can keep in fridge. You can eat slowly. Now after 2 days later, it's become already changed the color. Can you see? It's light pink color. Now let's see the next one. See, both have changed already color. So beetroot is little dark color and onion is little light color. These two are different. I didn't use any food color. This is simple and pure organic natural color. So can you see its color is so pretty and taste is like a sweet and little salty and crunchy. Now this is my final result. Now you can go with any recipe, you can go as a side dish and enjoy my homemade pickle recipe. Okay guys, I hope you guys will like this video. So if you like this video, do not forget to subscribe, like, share with your friends and family and enjoy my homemade recipe. And we'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.